Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a basic quiche. First, you'll need a 9-inch pie crust. You can use a store-bought one for convenience or make your own if you prefer. To ensure a perfectly crisp bottom, blind bake your crust. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the empty crust for about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step prevents your quiche from having a soggy base, giving you a delightful texture every time. Now, let's create the rich and creamy custard that defines a quiche. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs until they are well combined. Then, gradually incorporate 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, mixing until smooth. Season this base with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For an authentic touch, a small pinch of nutmeg adds a wonderful, subtle warmth to the flavor profile. With your crust ready and custard mixed, it's time to add your favorite fillings. First, sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded cheese, like Gruyere or cheddar, into the bottom of your blind-baked crust. Next, arrange your pre-cooked fillings, such as sautéed spinach, cooked bacon, or caramelized onions, evenly over the cheese. Carefully pour the egg and cream mixture over everything. Bake your quiche at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes, until golden and set. Once your quiche is beautifully golden and set, the hardest part is waiting. It's crucial to let it cool for at least 15 minutes on a wire rack before you attempt to slice it. This allows the custard to fully set, ensuring clean, perfect slices every time. Quiche is delicious served warm, but it's also excellent at room temperature. Garnish with fresh chives or parsley, and perhaps serve alongside a crisp green salad for a delightful and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.